be talking to you about how to apply for a US tourist visa, and I'll also walk you through the step-by-step process on how to apply for one. Hey guys, this is Mariama. Thank you for watching my videos, for subscribing to my channel, and for giving us a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now. And if you find my videos helpful and beneficial, please share it, give us a like, as this will help my community grow. Thank you. Now let's just do this. Nine steps to apply for your US tourist visa, and the first step is to verify the validity of your passport. Your passport must stay valid at least 6 months beyond your stay period in the US, unless exempt. Now, step number two. Number two is to take a passport style photo. This photo has to meet the US Department of State requirement. Now, for the sake of your DS-160 application, there's another additional requirement that for this photo has to meet, which is the digital image requirement. Now, step number three. Step number three is to complete your online non-immigrant visa application, which is the DS-160. So I will just say this for this application. Please take your time. You answer every question correctly and accurately. Do not leave anything blank. If there's a question that does not apply to you, make sure you follow the instruction on the application on how to answer this for this type of question. Usually you can write none or not applicable or zero for any other question. After completing the application, please review it to make sure everything is correct to the best of your knowledge, and then hit submit. After submitting the application, print down the confirmation page, because there's a barcode number that you will need to schedule for your appointment, and also you will need the confirmation page for your interview day. Now, step number four. Step number four is to pay the fee. This fee is not refundable whether you get a visa or not. So after you pay this fee, please print down the receipt, because you will need this receipt for your interview date. Now, step number five. Step number five is to schedule your visa appointment. Later in this video, I will show you how to schedule this appointment. Please stay tuned, because you don't want to miss this. It's super important. So you will need three things to schedule this appointment. One is your passport number. Two is your receipt for paying the fees. Three is the confirmation page of the DS-160 that you completed earlier. There's a barcode number that we will need for this appointment. Now let's just move to step number six. Number six is to gather all of the supporting documents for your interview day. So I will say probably this is the most difficult and important step. Not only you have to convince the counselor or the officer the day of your interview through word, but you also have to prove the fact to them. They have to see it, for themselves. So I will just say, please visit your US local consulate or embassy online to see what are the documents that they require for US tourist visa. Some of these documents include the purpose of your trip to the US, how long your trip will last, and also you have to show to the counselor that you have a strong tie to your country. So this could be like if you have a land back home, or if you have a business, family tie. So, and also lastly, you have to prove to the counselor that you have a way to support yourself in the US. You have to show how you intend to support yourself in the US. Number seven is to attend your interview. So I will make a video later on how you can prepare for your interview. Please stay tuned, because this is a very important step. So for your interview day, I will say make sure you are on time. Don't be too early, and also wear something that is appropriate, and also make sure you are very organized. You have all documents handy and ready. So I just want to add this. It's okay to be nervous. Don't worry too about that, and also be yourself, be you. Make sure you answer every question accurately and correctly. If there's something that you don't understand, ask for clarification. This is super exciting if your visa are issued. So depending on your country, so there's a fee to pay for the visa insurance. So you'll have to go online at the US department to check whether you are required to pay your fee or not. Now the final step, which is step number nine. Step number nine is to go pick up your visa and your passport together. This is super important. So I hope you make to this step. And also, one thing I will say, please do not jeopardize your visa. Usually they give a visa for 6 months, so make sure you comply with that. Do not overstay your visa in the US. You comply with the visa requirement. You just type US State Department, and you go to travel. Then you look for US visa, and after you click on that, you scroll down. That you find a US embassy or consular in your country. Let's just choose Guinea. Yeah, the visa, on the visa will and I'm gonna click on how to apply. Come look for for the form DS-160. So I will click on that. You will ask to put down your country again. So I'm just gonna with the same thing, Guinea. Click on agree right here, and then I'm gonna enter this the code. You'll see a picture right here. This is where you're supposed to upload your pictures. So you can test whether that your picture meet the requirement. Now let's just hit start an application and see if it's gonna work. Okay, so you can take your time and read this statement. So I'm just gonna skip that for now. And if you agree, then you just hit agree. So as you can see, they already generate your application ID for you, and the date. So you can print your application ID later on. See if it's gonna work. Okay, so now we are on the application. Basically, this is the first step in completing the application. This is pretty much on how you can find the application and complete it. So once you are in here, so make sure you answer all questions. And yeah, and then you should be fine. And do not forget to print down your confirmation page because you will need that later on. Basically, follow the same steps. Then you come here, step 4 to schedule and visa interview. So you hit there, and then is where you will be able to schedule for your interview. Just choose probably, and I'm just gonna go with maybe Ghana, and let's say Accra, and hit submit. So once you are in this page, so you'll be able to schedule your visa interview appointment. Just remember, you will need your confirmation page from the DS-160 that you completed earlier. There is 10-digit barcode that you will need to complete this application. Let's see how far this will take me since I don't have the code. I'm just gonna hit schedule an appointment. If you are in this page, that means you are on the right track. All you need to do is to put down your barcode number and then hit submit. Since I don't have that barcode number, I guess this is how far I can go in this application. I hope this tutorial helped. So I wish you the best. Thank you.